The Internet of Things connects all kinds of smart devices, like building sensors, factory machines, cars, and wearables, opening up huge opportunities for businesses and consumers. The problem? When different partners and manufacturers try to make their devices work together, there is no simple standard way to communicate and verify each other. That's because most protocols do not provide an identity layer. At Filancore, we solve this by placing decentralized identities directly on each device, using modern open standards for decentralized identifiers and verifiable credentials. This lets every device control its own identity, while still seamlessly establishing trust with others. Filancore simplifies the adoption of decentralized identity, creating greater trust and a truly open IoT ecosystem. Whenever IoT partners want to collaborate on new business models, Filancore helps to overcome the hurdles and empower trusted interactions.